I'm here in our state in Bologna, and this is pretty close to Maranello, where we are going to be today.
Let's go!
Oh, Modena. Beautiful car. We're finally at the Maranello. We've seen a few Ferraris now, and it's cool. But until now, all of them have been red. Rosso Corsa. No other shape, no other red tone. It's just Rosso Corsa. And I hope it won't stay like that. I want to see great colors, great spec. Maybe a Viola Hong Kong SF90. Yeah, let's see. It's so cool to be here. There wasn't Rosso Corsa, there was like some Rosso Scuro, and also there was a pretty cool spec with the Assetto Fiorano package. And I'm so hyped to be at the famous Maranello roundabout in a few minutes. It's insane. Right, here's the place. That is the original roundabout. Oh, this is so cool. There's a lot of Portofinos, and that's so sad, but there's also a lot of red cars, and it's also sad, but it's Ferrari. Never had so much fun in my life. Ah, I feel at home. I could do that every day. Only Ferraris. Okay, I've seen a few other cars too, but obviously mainly Ferraris. It's beautiful. We're standing in the way.
Yay!
I hope the SP3 is coming back, because that was the craziest for me personally. Purple on the Purosangue looks insane, like incredible. I've seen a good palette of colors today. That is just insane. That's it. Have a day at the Ferrari factory.
Yay!
It was some crazy and cool cars, definitely. We saw a black S90XX Spider, but it never came out as the way to Maranello. The way back is also gonna be a pain in the ass. So if some cool cars are driving around still, we are obviously going to show them to you.